doing a bit of Googling and looking around, PIXIE was one of the only vendors to overtly support HCL, but in a domestic and an affordable manner. Looking at what they've got the cool them down lights, which will track the colour temperature outside using the native HCL technology, and then extending on that to match the outside light levels closely, and allowing you therefore, for a room that's landlocked like a walk-in wardrobe, to have a feel of natural light. With the PIXIE technology now, I can have daylight for when I'm preparing something or doing some work where I need to really see what I'm doing. And then at night, we can just tweak it down to a few percent of brightness, down to warm white, and you've got a background glow that just makes it comfortable to move around. It doesn't disturb you when you're watching TV. And if someone gets up during the night, you don't need night lights. It just provides that almost moonlight glow through the house. You can just put a PIXIE switch anywhere. If you've got power, that's a bonus. If you don't, there's battery operated ones, and you can switch anything from anywhere and then change it if you don't like it.